Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing for you. But first of all, I'm just going to have a little bit of a tidy up because I've just realised that the fake silver coins that I made a video on the other day are starting to blend in with my real silver coins. And for those of you that haven't yet seen that video, these coins, apart from this one, which has a reeded edge when a Philharmonic normally has a smooth edge, the other ones are actually quite convincing. Now in the hand, they feel quite a bit thicker, but to the untrained eye, they do actually look fairly realistic. So definitely be careful. Those of you that haven't seen that video, head over to, I'll tell you what, I'll put it in the description so it's easier to find. I did a video on these showing the types of silver that are currently for sale on eBay. And especially those of you that are just starting out, it's a very important watch because you don't want to get caught up with buying any of these fake coins from eBay. Now I've got a feeling there's another one somewhere here. That's the one. Yeah, I picked it up and put it back down. That's how realistic it looks at a quick glance. 2023. That's probably the most convincing out of them all, I would say. The American Silver Eagle. Let me just compare it to the other one. We're going a little bit off topic for today's video, but we just compare it to a legit American Silver Eagle. The design looks pretty much spot on with very little noticeable differences when you look at it very quickly. And then on the other side, this is a type 1, so that's not a very good example. Is that a type 2 up there? No, I don't have many type 2s because they're the ones that have got the tracking devices in them, so I don't think I've got one to hand. But yeah, they are very convincing. Those of you that know what the type 2 looks like, you'll know that that looks pretty much spot on again. So yeah, just be careful when you're buying on eBay. I'm going to put these stacked up just so I know which ones they are. But there we go, let's get straight into the video. I'll tidy that up another time. But as you can see, or as you probably know by now, when I get a box and it's this shaped, it is the next installment of the 365 Days of Silver spot price bars. Now this is June's. Really excited to see how this looks in the hand. Always come, that's a nice touch. Beware of the ball. Really cool. So that tells me straight away the bar this time is a ball, because last time there was a Paddington Bear 50p included. So I knew that it was going to be a bear, and that tells me straight away that it's going to be a ball. So that's a nice little touch from Louis. And let's put that down there. Really excited to get into this. I get excited every single month. I really enjoy picking these up. I'm loving watching the box grow. Always extremely nicely packaged from Louis. Because these are hand poured, they all look slightly different, even though the design is kind of set in stone now. Obviously it changes between a bull and a bear each month depending on the spot price. The overall design is obviously the same, but every bar looks slightly different and every bar weighs slightly different. You can see June 001, serial number 365001, 33.8 grams. That's for Louis' website down there if you want to go and check out other things that they do. And let's have a look at the start of the show. Wow, look at that. Every single time I pick this bar up, I just fall in love with it all over again. Really nice in the hand. You can see it says June 2025. The opening at the beginning of June, the first trading day of June, the spot price of silver opened at £25.27. And that was an increase of 3.65%. And that looks really cool. Considering my channel is called 365 Days of Silver, to have a percent on this bar that is 3.65 is just really cool. I think the way it's worked out, I think that's brilliant, absolutely incredible. On this side you've got 365 Days of Silver, spot price bars, and you've got the fineness and the weight. Finished to a really high standard, nice and smoothed around the edges. Just a stunning piece of silver. Really good. You can see we've got the ball on this one with the arrows going up to show that the market has taken an upwards trend, and the actual spot price has even increased since when this was produced, because now the spot price of June is sitting around £27 an ounce. So this could potentially be the first time in the collection where we're going to have two of the same animals in a row. If the spot price of silver continues to run up like it has done over the last couple of weeks, then we might see another bull in July. So that'll be really interesting. That will completely change the cycle that we've seen so far. So far, for those that are following along, the spot price has gone up and down the whole way through. So we've had a change between the bull and the bear each month, whereas now we might have the first month that carries on. But this is the box that they all go in. Really cool. There are some of these boxes still available. So if you're actually collecting this series from Louis, there's actually, I think, 6 or 7 boxes left. So if you're collecting them and you want a box to store them in, there is still boxes available on their website. There was 35 boxes made, the same as the mintage of the bars. So everyone has a chance to grab a box if they're interested. I just think it's a really cool way of storing them, and that's interesting. We've got a letter in here. Letter U. I'm not sure what that means, but we'll pop that over there. And let's have a little look at the ones we've got so far. So you can see when we first started this collection, we put a bull and a bear on the design, and then we continued to change the animal depending on which way the spot price had gone based on the previous month. You can see last month was May, and that was a bear. And like I said, now we have another bull. Really cool. This is my favorite part of this series, and that is putting it in the box, and it fits in so snugly. Looks absolutely incredible. So now we are officially halfway through this collection. We have 6 bars, we've got another 6 to go, so we're halfway through the year already, and you can see it's been a really erratic year. The spot price of silver has really gone up and down as the months have gone on, so it'll be really interesting to see what we end up with at the end of the year. Is it going to have a huge pullback? Are we going to finish around 23, 24 pounds like we've seen on some of these first bars? Or are we going to continue to slowly rise and finish around £30 an ounce? That would be really cool, wouldn't it? But either way, absolutely brilliant collection, really enjoying it. And like I said, this might be the first time that we break the cycle of the bull, the bear, bull, bear, bull. Pretty sure, unless spot price massively drops, I'm pretty sure we're going to see July as another bull. But let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section. Do you think we're going to see another bull? Or do you think, in fact, it's going to have a big pullback? Because it's got to go, remember, to get a bear on this bar, it's got to go below £25.27. So quite a big pullback from where we're sitting at £27 currently. So there we go. That is today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you're enjoying following this collection along. I have actually made a separate playlist, and every single video that I film with the 365 spot price bars in, it goes into that playlist. And those of you that are making your own YouTube videos in the community and you're also collecting this series, I'm also adding your videos to that playlist as well. So let me know if you go in that playlist on my channel and you see that I've missed your video. Do reach out and let me know, because it's quite cool to have them all in the same place so that we can watch them all and keep them all together. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I think it's going to be another really hot day here in the UK. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what you think the next month's spot price bar is going to be. Are we going to see another bull, or is it going to pull back and it's going to be a bear? But as always, thanks for all the support. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you're not already. And I hope you all have a very nice day.